Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Notion to Figma for brand guidelines step by step clearly. Open your Notion workspace. Create a new page for your brand guidelines. In the page, add a cover image that represents your brand. Next, create a section for your brand colors. You can do this by creating a new block and selecting the color option. Add your primary brand color and any secondary colors as needed. Now, click on a blank space below your colors section. Create a new block for your typography guidelines. State the fonts you use for headings and body text. Include font sizes, weights, and any special styling. Next, create a section for brand imagery. You can add images, icons, or graphics that reflect your brand's visual identity. Now, open your Figma project. Locate the components or assets that you want to include in your brand guidelines. Select the elements in Figma and copy them. Return to your Notion workspace. In the brand imagery section, create a new block. Paste the copied elements from Figma into Notion. Adjust the size and positioning to fit your page design. Next, add a section for design patterns. You can showcase any recurring design elements or UI patterns. Create another block below your design patterns section. Link to your Figma files for easy access. Highlight the sections in Notion that require Figma resources. Select the text and click on the link icon. Paste the Figma file link and save it. Once you've completed all your sections, review your brand guidelines for clarity. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure everything is aligned. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.